So if you're someone who wants to make money, who has not made money with CPA marketing, or you are looking for a very sharp way to make money right now on the internet, I want to show you a very quick strategy which I just started testing, where you can make money by selling Facebook engagement. I'm talking about Facebook likes, Facebook comments, Facebook followers. You sell this thing to people, should I say you give it to people for free, and in return they complete an offer which makes you money. That is what we are going to be learning today. Now we're going to be creating two landing pages with Google Drive. Google Drive is a platform where you can create landing page, where you can create sites for free. You're not paying any money on this strategy. Yeah, this is a free traffic method, right from top to bottom. Everything is going to be free. So now I'm going to be creating two pages here. Firstly is the congratulation page, just like what you're seeing here. Big congratulation and an email. Now this email you're seeing here, you are going to create your own personal new email for this strategy which you are going to be using. To create an email account, you can search on the Google, just write create new email account or create new Gmail account, and it's very easy to do. So create a new Gmail account. You can see what is written here. 1, Facebook page. 2, amount of likes claimed. This is what the very soon I'll explain what this thing means. So as this video, before this video finish, you understand why we did what we are doing here. Now the second landing page we are going to be creating is this. You can see it is also bold. Need more Facebook likes. Try our services for free, no hidden charges. Yes or no. This is, you can see this is totally everything we're going to be doing here, so it's not complicated or anything. You can do this in less than 30 minutes if you know what you're doing. So that's what we're going to be learning right now. Now to create the landing page, as I told you, Google site is your tool. Come to Google site, look for this theme here, this particular theme. That's what I use. Use this template, this particular template here. You can see the template. All you have to do is just change the image. Come here, go to upload. Now before we talk of upload, first you need to download this kind of image. You can see what I'm using here. This is what I'm using here. Facebook image with blur background. You can actually go to the internet. Let's look at it right now. This is what we are creating. This is what we are downloading. I'm going to go to the internet and search for Facebook, exactly what you're seeing here. This is the image I'm using here. But you can use any of this one if you want. Come here and put the background. Now change this thing you're seeing here into what we wrote there, which is congratulations. Congratulations. Let's make it bigger, or should I say wider to the edge. Same thing this side to the edge, and that is it. And this header part, or to put it on banner to make it smaller. Then what else? Let's go down a bit. Good. Now here's where we're going to be adding this text. Second landing page, this text, the email. This is my own email. You're going to create your own email, and everything else is going to be the same. The email with info below, which is Facebook page name and amount of likes claimed. Copy this, go back to the landing page you're creating and paste it right there. Simple. I'm done here. Go to publish this page. When we publish it, then go to the next start. It's going to be the second landing page. You can see this is basically what we are doing. The same thing. We are going to change the image, put the same Facebook image. We're not changing anything much here. Need more Facebook likes. This is exactly what you're going to be typing. Now come down, try our services for free, no hidden fees. Exactly what you're going to be typing. Then as for the yes and no, in case you don't know how to do it, let me just show you. You can come to this aspect here, this insert. Come to insert on this aspect. You can go down and look for where the root button here it is. Click on it, and wow, you can now see the name of the button. First, the name is going to be, as we are seeing here, yes. Yes, it's going to, what you're going to name the button. Then this aspect, we'll come back to this place very soon. Let's first end this particular thing we are doing here. Now, as for this congratulations page, let's publish it so you understand what we are doing here. Publish it. So let's just change it to congrats. Congrats P, which is congrats page. Copy this. Now publish it. Now let's check if it's available. Congrats P is available. Now publish it. Then I'm going to go straight to our CPAGrip. This is our CPAGrip. This, firstly, when you get here, the first thing you're going to do is go to template. We're not going to choose all these regular template here. We're going to go for this last template here. This one, fan base, exactly what you're seeing here. Fan base template. This is what we're going to choose. Then go back to general. Now for here, instead of writing please prove you're not human, we're going to use something different, something captivating, which is what we are. Let's just take exactly what is on my own here. Bot detected. Please complete any 3 offers below to claim your likes. Go to copy exactly what is here, take it to your own and paste. Exactly. Now before this, I am not a bot. What you can put there is, what you should put there is claim likes. So instead of I am not a bot, put claim likes. Finish. Now you, okay, no, we're not done yet. We're going to increase this offer to 3, or 5 or higher. Just create something higher so people have a lot of options to choose from. Because in this strategy, what we are doing here, they must complete at least 3 offers. That's what I am doing. If you look at my right up here, I put 3 offers. But you can reduce your own. You can even increase your own. You can make your own 5. You can make your own 2 or 1 set. So whatever it is you want to set, you set it. Now to make sure that they actually complete the offer that you want them to complete, you have to go to advanced. When you get to advanced, you can see my own is on 3. You can make your own to be on 1 or 2 or whatever. So that's on 3. Boom. Then now goes to H. And what I like doing, I go to HTML, scroll down a little bit. You can see this part where we have the likes. You can see there's 10,000 likes for 30 days, 5,000 likes for 15 days, 2,500 likes for 10 days, 1,000 likes for 3 days. I like to change that. Let's make it more convincing, more interactive. So instead of having 1,000 likes for 3 days, I'm going to give them 1,000 likes for 1 day. 1 day, not days. Instead of 2,500 likes, I'm going to give them 2,000 likes for 3 days. Now I'm going to give them 5,000 likes for 5 days and 10,000 likes for 10 days. That's it. When I do that, I can now come down here and refresh, review, and you can see everything I just put is now working accordingly to what I want. So now when we are done with this, our content locker page is ready. Now we just have to save it and promote it. Or I already have my own here. So let's enter my own. When we now come to link, this is where we're going to copy this link. Copy the link here or customize it to look like your own. Copy the link. Now go back to the landing page which we just created. This. Now, in case I didn't mention to you, this landing page, the link to this landing page here, this link, that is what we are going to be pasting on our CPAGrip right here. Let's edit it. This place where there's offer, the place you are going to put your offers, to the local URL. This is where our congratulations page is going to be. I will explain better. This is where we're going to put our congratulation page, which is this page here. So now to the other page. Yes, this yes part. When we have now launched our landing page, where we have published our landing page, save, or let's come back here, our landing page where we have published it. Let's go back, copy the link of the landing page. Where we copy this link, we are going to go to our link. Remember, we created a link, a button, yes and no. For the yes aspect, I'm going to edit it and now put in this particular the link we just copied from CPAGrip. This is what we want to have there. Paste our link there and update it. Now, as for no, we can put in google.com. Just put something that, yes, it's not actually necessary. You can actually leave it blank if you want. So that part is not necessary. Just like what we are doing here. Then publish this one. Now let me explain properly. This is what we are going to be promoting. Need more Facebook likes. Facebook like is something that Facebook engagement is things that people are looking for. People wants to get more like, more Facebook like, more credibility on the internet. So they want Facebook likes. So now we are going to give them Facebook like. We're going to offer our services to them, and when they say yes, they want it, because we're actually giving them for free. We're giving this, all the likes and engagement we're going to give them are totally free. So when they come to this page, they're going to say okay, they want. When they see our post, they're going to say yes, they want this service. They're going to come here and click on yes. When they click on yes, they're going to be taken to our landing page, our CPA, sorry, they're going to be taken to our CPAGrip content locker, which they're going to complete at least 3 offers. When they complete 3 offers, they are going to be taking, then they are going to be bringing to our congratulation page. When they now come to our congratulation page, they will now see our Gmail account. On this Gmail account, this is where they are going to send their Facebook, the name of their Facebook page name. Let me make it specific. Name and the number of likes they want. So when they send it to us, now we are going to go to another website called CSS panel, csspanel.co. This is where we're going to be coming. When you come here, you're going to see, you can see Facebook likes for $2.50, Facebook followers for 0.36 cents. So you can see different offers here, and it's not just Facebook. There are other things you can give to them, YouTube, Instagram. So there are different things you can package. I'm just showing you this content based on Facebook alone, but there are different things you can package here and sell to people on the internet that want engagement on their video, their content, their whatever it is, their blog. You can give this to them, and in return you make money. So this is where we're going to be buying, and these things are insanely cheap. You can see 0.51 cents. If you can get 10 people which want this service and we buy this thing from them, we're going to make it at least 20x the money we used to buy this offer. That is how serious this thing is. I just started a strategy today, and I've already gotten some income. This today is when I started the strategy. So this is a strategy I want, or I think that you people should test out and make some money for yourself. Alright, that'll be all for this video. See you in the next one.